All right, so just like in our previous problem, we're going to label each male with an X and a Y. Each female will get 2 X's. I'm going to pause this, fill them in. I'll be back in a sec. All right, so we have them all filled in. Second step, label each affected or shaded individual with lowercase letters. Again, remember they only go on the X, not on the Y. So remember in sex-linked pedigrees, typically the males are more affected, and we definitely see that here. The reason being they only have one X chromosome. All the other individuals are going to get at least one capital letter. And then we will fill in the rest. All right, so I filled them in with at least one capital letter, and I've highlighted the ones that we still need to fill in. You'll notice they're all females because we have to fill in that second X, all right? So if we take a look up here, we know that Dad had to give a Y, okay? And so since Dad had to give a Y to this boy, the X with the little a had to come from Mom. So we're going to go ahead and write X little a for the mom. And I'm going to remove the highlight there since we know that. Now, if we take a look at the 2 females here, they had to get an X with a little a from Dad. They couldn't have gotten a Y because then they'd be a boy. So we know that each one of these individuals has to have a little a. And again, I'm going to remove the highlights so that we know that we're done with this one. All right. Let's take a look over here at these 2 parents. They had 2 boys, and one was affected and one was not. For the boys, we know the Y had to come from the dad. So the other letter had to come from Mom. And in this case, this one got a big A from Mom. In this case, this guy got a little a from Mom. So we know that Mom has to have at least one big A and one little a. Last but not least, we got to look down here. This boy got a Y, okay, from Dad, got a big A from Mom. As far as these 2 kids go, they had to get one letter from Mom, one letter from Dad, an X from Mom, an X from Dad. So they each have to have a little a. So we're going to go ahead and fill in the little a down here for both of them. And we are done with our pedigree.